Good morning, students. Today we are going to take up some more judgments from the Companies Act. It is a revision session. The detailed discussions have already taken place in class. So let us start with the first judgment for the day, that is in front of you on screen, Gluckstein versus Bernays. Yes. Are you able to recall to what does it relate? Yes. It relates to legal position of promoter, where we concluded what? We concluded that promoter stands in a fiduciary relationship with the company. And what was held in this case? It was held that part of the profits which was not disclosed, that is secret profits, needs to be paid back to the company. As we have already studied, what? As we have already studied, promoter can make profits but no secret profits. Let us move further. Next case we are going to discuss today is Brown versus British Abrasive Wheel Company Limited. Now, this case relates to what? This case relates to alteration of articles. What did we study there? What was established through this case? In this case, it was held that an alteration which constitutes fraud on minority by majority shall be invalid, since it amounts to oppression of minority by majority. Okay. Moving further, Shri Meenakshi Mills Company Limited versus Assistant Registrar of Companies. What did it conclude? It said that meeting of one calendar year adjourned to another calendar year shall remain the meeting of that particular calendar year only. So this was in relation to annual general meeting, and you all recall what? You are able to recall that annual general meeting must be held annually, and there must be an annual general meeting in each calendar year. Moving further, B.R. Kundra versus Motion Pictures. What was established in this case? It was held that directors cannot prolong their tenure by not holding AGM on time. So AGM, by whatever provision becomes due, needs to be held. If company fails to hold the AGM when it becomes due, then it will be a case of default by the company. Okay. Going to the last case for the day, German Date Coffee Company case. Yes. Where did you study this case? Yes, you rightly remember. We studied this case in the chapter on winding up of company, and winding up of company under the Companies Act by the tribunal, and yes, under the category of just and equitable. So what was established in this case? Since the main object had failed, therefore it was just and equitable that the company be wound up. So it was all for the today's lecture. Wish you all the well. Thank you.